Hey guys and gold, Gabs and Surf. Today I'm going to do a review on the Inbox Abby Abominable Dead Tired. That little sparkle thing is from the light on my camera, so. Boop. Okay, well, there's Abby. That's her slippers and her ice cream. This says, is Abby's first sleepover today. ... Hooray! ... In a little mind bubble. Background is blue, striped, with little stars, kind of like Dead Tired. It says Dead Tired. There's some stars and a moon with leaky blood. And it says Abby Abominable, daughter of the Yeti. There's a picture of Abby Abominable yawning. She has red painted nails. And on the side, of course, it says Monster High with the little logo. It has the Monster High logo up here with the skull, but with a night mask. And the box is all black with a blue zippering and blue stars. It's a blue chain going around to the back. And on the side is just a little bit of extra from her hair. It was $15 at Police, which I'm not telling you. And usually it says their name on the top, but with the new dolls, but with this one, it doesn't. I don't know why, but oh well. It has little designs with the stars and the stripes and everything. It's Dead Tired Claudine Wave 2 and Dead Tired Dracula Wave 2. And I don't know why Claudine's hair is like that, because it's straight. And she has bangs. Well, there they are. At somebody's house, and it has like the little TV. And there's Claudine watching TV with her little makeup right there. There's Dracula watching the movie with her Monster Beat magazine. And then there's Abby Abominable watching the movie using her ice spoon, eating her ice cream. And then there's a picture of Abby with her ice spoon in her mouth, just like down there. And it says, always bad idea to split up in scary movie. And it says, Monster High, be yourself, be unique, be a monster. And dish and delve with the ghouls at their scary cool creepover. So yeah, I'll be doing a review on the Outbox Abby. So yeah, I just wanted to try this out. So yeah, by the way, it's all clear. So yeah, this is chocolate. Yeah, like a chocolate latte. There you go. Let's brush her. Oh, wait, she's still in the box. I did not know that. Yes, I did. Okay, well, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please comment and subscribe. And yes, I did get glasses. So, bye.